Hello everyone. So recently I found out that my Windows 11 notebook no longer has password as the sign-in option. So I found out how to fix this. The first thing you need to go to settings and then account and sign in option. Okay, so you may see there are only 4 options for signing in, which is facial recognition, fingerprint recognition, PIN and security key. There are no password on the list. Okay, to fix this you need to find this option, which is for improved security, only allow Windows Hello sign in for Microsoft account on this device. Okay, you only need to turn off this option and then choose whichever you want. In this left section I choose the gaming and choose back the account and sign in option. Okay, so now you may see the password is now on the list, and to activate this password you need to click the change and just follow the steps and you're ready to go. Okay, so I hope this helps anyone who may have the same problem. Thank you.